The weather is crazy. Jeez, it's gonna be April Fool's the whole month. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? Hope you look good. Let's go to some classes. I need coffee. They're testing the sirens for disasters or something. I don't know. Are you afraid? You scared? You scared? You want the camera? You want to hold the camera? The aliens are attacking. The aliens! Shut up! Please, shut the crap up! Whoa! I can pull the whole thing out. So much fake stuff all over the place. There are no pencils anymore. Where are the good old pencils from my time? Oh well, kids, you don't know what pencils are. When I was a child, the pencils were amazing. Oh, the pencils from my childhood. Yeah, Grandpa, but we have lasers. Say something about that. So I just grabbed, I grabbed the cable to take all the the clips that I recorded today. See how that thing is sealed. What the hell is that? So I grabbed the cable to take the clips out of the camera, but I thought to myself, did I record something today? Seriously, that was my question in my head. Did I record something today? And I checked it, yes I did. I'm so tired all of a sudden, I don't know why. So, yeah, main idea, I actually managed to leave the book in my backpack, but I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. Look at that. Look at that. There is so much. It's so pretty. I have to find the other two. I just understood that actually these two are these two. That one is the book one out of a trilogy. So I have to find the other two after I finish that one, because it's amazing, really good book. I'm tired once again. The other exciting thing is that I'm starting to collect some other people from other projects that I'm gonna start doing. Actually, I'm gonna like do it over the weekend, and I believe so. I hope so. It's gonna be like something that we're gonna shoot here home. That is why I need that little system with the pump and the valve and everything else, and the little jar with blood that I have over here. And that brings me to the next question that tomorrow I have to go and buy some stuff for that, for the blood, and probably some kind of a makeup. Makeup. Ooh, sounds interesting. I shall be looking like crazy, or should I be the one who is gonna be playing? Oh, so many unspoken things. Seriously, I'm so tired that I'm gonna start talking nonsense, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.